Hey everyone, Rob Moroto here. I just wanted to do a quick video because Adobe just released a new feature in Lightroom, and it is the Firefly powered Generative Remove tool. So, now we don't have to actually take our photos from Lightroom to Photoshop to do the Generative Remove or Generative Fill. Well, Generative Fill, Generative Remove, Healing, whatever. We don't have to do that. We can do it right in Lightroom, and I just wanted to take this moment to test it out. Check it out. First things first, here is the press release. So if you go and look for Generative Remove in Lightroom, you can get to their website, you can see their sample video, but what I really wanted to get into was how does this work for real estate, right? And so I've got this image here, open up in Lightroom, and say we want to get rid of these appliances in the back there. Up till now, you could have just done the remove tool or the heal tool, but that didn't quite work out very well now, did it? So instead, now, first of all, click up here, then click here, then click on Generative AI, and let's try it. Okay, we click it, the red dot comes on, and we go to apply. Now, unlike in Photoshop where it will automatically do it after you click, or you can toggle it. So in Photoshop, you have the ability to get it so that as soon as you click it, it does it, or you outline everything and then click it to get rid of it. It looks like we need to apply it every time. So that worked out pretty well. Okay, let's see what else. Let's try and get rid of this one over here. Okay, and apply. Let's see what happens. All right, well, that's not quite what I wanted. So it worked well on this side, but not quite on this side. Let's try that again. I'm gonna make my brush a little bit bigger there. Let's try it. Oh yeah, and apply. And what does it look like? What the heck is that? Did it? It replaced that with plates. No, that's not what I want. All right, let's try that again. What do I need to do to make this go away now? Okay, try it again. I just want that kettle gone. No. So, on a whole, this is still in beta. It's still early access. So the fact that it's there is great. The future is coming. But we're not quite there yet. But play around with it. Have fun. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, put them below, and be sure to click on like, subscribe, and click on that little bell to be notified every time we put up new content. And I am happy to announce that our online real estate photography course is now done, and it is ready for you. Just go to www.robmoroto.com and use a coupon code that is in the show notes here to get yourself a nice little discount. All right, see you later.